Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can keep your Google account signed in. So first step you simply need to do is to click on three dots here and click on settings. Then you simply need to go into the privacy and security, and here you can see third party cookies. So you simply need to allow third party cookies. Then you need to go back and click on privacy and security again. And once you are here you can see different options. So browsing data. So you simply need to select all and delete all your data. So once you've done that, you simply need to go and click on about Chrome and check for update if there is any update available. So you simply need to update your Chrome browser. Once you've done that, you simply need to come here and sign in your browser. And after you close, so once you complete all these steps, if you close your browser and open again, you will remain sign in. So let me show you. I close the browser and I open browser again. Now you can see that I'm still signed in. So this is the process that you need to follow. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.